Today I'm going to show you how to use agents in Copilot. So if you've downloaded Microsoft 365 Copilot, on the left-hand side you will see chat and then you will see agents. Now you can use this drop-down menu to view all of the agents that are here. Ultimately, you will see this message box in the middle over here, and you can click on the plus icon and click on chat with an agent. You can now see all of the agents that you can chat with. You can also just literally use the add button and you'll be able to find your agents. Now, let's say, for example, we want to go and create something in PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and click on the PowerPoint agent. And now we're chatting with PowerPoint. So let's create a prompt. Create a presentation with 5 slides, each showcasing the advantages of Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can click on send. Now you can imagine you can get as detailed as you would like with your prompt. So you can add in as much information as you would like with as much detail as possible. You'll now be presented with some additional options. So here you can choose the primary goal of your presentation. So let's say training, and we want to choose an audience that best describes who will actually view this. So we're going to say end user, and now we can select a length. So between concise, detailed, or in-depth. So let's say concise, and we want to select a style. So we want a balance of text and visuals. And then we can select a theme from any one of these themes. Let's go ahead and use this one and click on let's go. Now you can imagine that every one of the options that you will get will be unique to, first of all, the project that you're trying to create, as well as the agent that you are using. So whatever it is that you're trying to do, what you just saw now will be unique to only you and your project. You'll see now that we have a fully built presentation. Okay, so we've got our cover page and everything else that we need. Now there are 2 ways to make changes. The first way is in the left-hand side to see that there's a chat box, and here you can add in whatever changes you would like to make. So for example, you could say, please change the cover image to something else. You could also add in an image if you would like from your device, or you could simply paste it in from your clipboard. The second way to make edits here is to go up to the top right-hand side and click on Open in PowerPoint, where you can physically change every single element of this presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint on your own. Now, the same rules will apply when you are using any other agent within Microsoft Copilot.